Mustang Revivalers, welcome back to the channel once again. We've got an especially exciting one today, as I'm off on a big tour tomorrow morning first thing. We're a bit of a last minute one. I'm heading to Triumph Vauxhall to get some parts fitted to the bike today, so it's going to be quite an exciting one. I'm excited anyway. We've got a few things getting fitted, basically ready for the tour. So I'm getting a touring screen, highway screen, Triumph call it, fitted, which will be good. Hope, you know, take a bit of wind blast off for the long miles on the motorway. I've got the Vauxhall slip-ons being fitted, which were quite expensive actually, but I think gotta be done. Gotta get the nice sound coming through. And on top of that, I've got a decat system from Tech Motorbike Bike Parts. They're gonna fit for me as well, so that'll make the sound even better. We've also got the DNA high performance air filter parts, air filters being fitted as well, which should give it a little bit more performance, hopefully, fingers crossed. So yeah, quite an exciting one today, guys. Stay tuned, it's going to be fun. Going to get all that fitted and have some fun with it. Here we are, we just come over the, I'm not actually too sure which bridge it is, but a bridge, past, is that the MI5 building, MI6 building, something spy-y, it's off of James Bond. Anyway, yeah, we're coming into Vauxhall up to the dealership to begin the works. Oh, exciting. Yeah, we'll just stop off in the dealer and I'll do a little walk around of the bike, show you what she looks like now if you haven't seen already. And then yeah, we'll let the dealer do their thing and then come back and see what she's like, see what she sounds like. Cool. Alright, I'll see you in a sec. So yeah, we're at arrival at Vauxhall, Triumph in Vauxhall, excuse me. We'll get the modifications on, ready for the trip to sort of spice her up a bit, make her sound a little bit nicer and also look a bit nicer and a bit more comfortable for touring as well. So we'll go over what I've got going on it later. Once it's on, I'll give you all a walkthrough of what I've gone for. But yeah, let's get her into the workshop and let the guys work their magic on it. Sweet. Day's gone to the afternoon now, it's about 6 o'clock. I've got the big text from Triumph saying the bike is ready. So yeah, mega excited. Let's just gonna head in, we'll go and have a look and start her up and have a look around. Whew, gonna be an exciting one. Let's go in. Oh, that's not it, is it? No, it's not. It's where the magic happens, team, it looks like. Oh, there she is. Look at this. Sick. Finally, I picked her up, had the mods done. I'll just run you quickly through what I've had done here at Vauxhall Triumph. Thank you very much to them, they've done a brilliant job. A nice old GS there. Anyway, sorry, back to my bike. So what we've had done, first of all, it's the first mod I went for, is the screen. Triumph call it the highway screen. Basically I'm doing lots of touring, which you'll see as I'm off tomorrow, on the ferry tomorrow, off to the touring spot, which I'll reveal in tomorrow's vid. But yeah, the screen is great for touring, so it just protects you from the wind. It's very big. I was a bit apprehensive about how it was going to look, but I love it. I think it looks so nice. Such a good screen. If you're considering it, guys, highly recommend it. I haven't actually ridden it with it yet, so I'm not sure what the wind buffering's like. I'll let you know that, but the screen looks awesome. It looks so nice. It's on to number 2. Well, this is a sort of 2 and 3. I've got the stunning looking all chrome Vance & Hines slip-ons here with, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, that's hot. The Triumph logo etched in there. So they're beautiful. It's kept it looking as original as possible. I love the chrome against the black. They sound nice. We'll fire her up in a bit, give you a little bit of a taster. And to complement those slip-ons, I've actually fitted a X-Pipe decat system from Tech Bike Parts, TEC Bike Parts up north, which is brilliant. So I can't wait to get used to that, the extra sound and possibly a little bit more power, which will be very fun to say the least. That's going to be good. We're going to be tearing it up on this tour. The last thing, not the most exciting one, but we dip down in here. There's a 12-volt socket there, really nicely hidden away so it doesn't stand out too much. Obviously that's for touring, for the sat nav and various electronics, because I'm going to be camping, so I actually need a place to charge things. Assuming the campsites don't have chargers, I don't know. I'm not an experienced camper, so it's going to be fun. Yeah, but it's going to be epic. So we're off tomorrow on the tour. I'm a novice at this, so it could be interesting. Very interesting tour. I've bought all of the camping gear. Don't know if you've seen my Instagram. Take a look on there. I've posted a photo of all of the camping gear, etc. I hope I got all of the right gear. God knows if I have. Had a very busy day. Packing her up, packing all my bags, packing all the camera equipment, camping gear. Going to be very good. Anyway, let's start her up and see how she sounds.